guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I am so excited to share with you a cozy fall routine. So you guys know I absolutely love fall. This is going to be episode 17 in my I Love Fall series, and I just couldn't wait to share with you guys these super chill, super relaxed, cozy fall vibes. And it wouldn't be my video without a DIY, you guys. I have to throw in a DIY for you. So we are just going to bring the sound of fall, the sight of fall, and just my absolute favorite ways to relax in the afternoon. I just want to invite you guys in and kind of show you what my afternoon routine would be like. So without further ado, let's jump into this cozy fall afternoon routine. So to get started on this cozy fall afternoon routine, I am just going to go outside to begin with, and I want to go into my backyard and trim off some of this lemon balm that I have in my garden. I want to bring this inside and simmer this in with some apples and lemons and some spices and some oils. I just want to bring the smell of fall from the outside in. I was also really excited to go ahead and pick up some fresh pumpkins from our local pumpkin patch. We have a huge pumpkin patch in my area, and I just love visiting it in the fall time and getting some fresh pumpkins. And then also I wanted to just invite you guys inside and share with you, of course, my outfit of the day. So for today, I'm just going with these cute little leg warmers, which we're going to DIY a little bit later in this video, and this matching scarf and this big warm cozy shawl. I also wanted to share with you guys this scarf that we're going to DIY. So Mr. Romantic donated one of his thermal shirts that he never wears to my DIY cause. So now that we have our lemon balm inside, I'm just going to cut it up and put it in this bowl. And in the bowl, I like to add just an assortment of things. So for this simmering pot, I chose some apples and some lemons and this lavender oil. My daughter's been having kind of a hard time sleeping, so I thought simmering that during the day would give a nice relaxing vibe to the home. And I also added in some rose water, a teaspoon of sage, and also some cinnamon. I just loved this smell today. I added that lavender in with the rose water and the apples and the lemon scents. It gave my house such a fresh fall cozy vibe. And then I just want to go ahead and rinse the rest of this lemon balm. I'm going to put it in a plastic bag and save it for another day for simmering. And then I want to go in with my Mrs. Meyer's pumpkin spray and just clean out my sink really well. I love to do that as part of my afternoon fall routine because then it just makes the house feel nice and fresh and clean to me when my sink and my counters are cleaned off. And thank you guys to everyone who has used my coupon for the Mrs. Meyer's products. You guys, thank you so much. And if you guys wanted to try these products, there is a coupon code down below. So as much as I love the pumpkin scent, I think I even love the apple cider scent more. I'm also waiting for my mom to come in. So now I'm just going to go ahead and slice up some apples. I want to spend some time relaxing and getting cozy on the couch, so I want to have a healthy snack for that. And so I just went in with some peanut butter on some of my sliced apples. I feel like it's a very delicious and healthy treat. So for my afternoon cozy fall snack, I'm just going to use this tiny beautiful plate. I think it's a nice thing to do to make a beautiful presentation, even if it's just you at home. So I'm going to add my apples and peanut butter to this tiny plate, and also using a small plate helps you with some portion control. And so I also wanted to add in some chocolate chips, just for a sweet treat, you guys. Today I was so craving some chocolate, and I also wanted to add in some of these healthy all natural walnuts. And then to make myself some s'mores coffee, I just wanted to go in. I love melting chocolate chips into either my hot cocoa or my coffee. And so for today, it was just some coffee, and so I threw in some chocolate chips and some marshmallows, and then I added in some milk just to kind of give it that kind of cozy, yummy, almost hot cocoa s'mores flavor. Now that we have all the smells of fall coming into the home, we're just going to relax, and I am going to take my boots off and go ahead and kick back. I have a couple of different books out here. I have my women's devotional Bible study that I'm going to do first, and then I have that magazine that I want to catch up on that my home is going to be featured in for the holidays. And thank you guys for all the congratulations on that. You guys are so amazing. So I'm going to start out with my devotional, and I've been thinking of one of my favorite scriptures lately, so I wanted to write it out, and it's Psalm 91:1. This part where it says, "He who dwells in the shelter of the Most High will rest in the shadow of the Almighty." I'm just thinking about God being our refuge. And also I wanted to share with you guys my cat Tinky. He came in for a visit this afternoon with me. He actually has to live outside because I'm allergic, but he loves to come in for an afternoon cuddle and a treat, and he's just the sweetest cat ever. And now I'm just going to take one of my apple slices and dip it into some chocolate chips. You guys, this treat was so delicious, and I also felt like it was fairly healthy too. So another thing I love to listen to is the Alexrainbird music. There's a study one that I'll link down below that's super relaxing, and now I just go on my YouTube and I start catching up on all my comments with you guys. This is probably one of the best things about relaxing to me, is getting caught up with you guys. I love all your comments. And then here's that article in the new Vintage Holiday magazine that I'm going to be featured in. I hadn't had a chance really to read it, so I just wanted to sit down and check it out. And I'll add a link to as soon as it becomes available. And then I'm just going to relax with my s'mores cup of hot coffee and snuggle up with my blankies. I love putting a cozy autumn vibe video on. I will link one of those down below as well, you guys. I'd like to type in falling leaves, and there's a really wonderful one. And then I also love to watch clips of Pride and Prejudice when I don't quite have enough time to watch the entire movie, but I love Mr. Darcy and this scene. This is probably one of my favorite movies. You guys comment and let me know if you guys are also a super fan of Pride and Prejudice. So now we're going to do a cute little DIY. Remember that scarf I told you about, and Mr. Romantic donated this thermal shirt for this DIY. So I am just going to cut off the majority of this shirt to make this scarf, and that's pretty much it, you guys. I just cut the scarf and then pulled it out. I also washed it and dried it, and if you guys wanted to stitch it together on the end, you could do that, but I found that it was fine. It didn't really fray that bad, and it was so cozy. It was almost like a hug from my husband getting to wear his thermal, and I thought it looked really cute with this shawl and this black t-shirt, and just perfect to keep me cozy for fall. the next DIY we're going to do is we're going to take and cut off the shirt sleeves of that flannel. So this is actually the same flannel, and we're going to make little boot socks. So I just took and I cut off each arm, and I measured the second one so I would cut it the same size as the first one. And after I cut it off, I go ahead and straighten it out to make sure that the part where we're going to put our ribbons in, which is down by the sleeve, is away from where the seam is. So you're just going to cut 2 little slits, and then you're going to take whatever pretty ribbon that you want to use. I chose kind of this autumn deep maroon color just because I thought that the cranberry-ish autumn maroon, I'm not for sure what this color is, but I just thought it would be so beautiful with one of my scarves that I already had. But the great thing about this DIY is you guys can actually change these ribbons out to whatever color your outfit is for the day. I do this with a lot of my leg warmers, just adding this little bow. I feel like really dolls it up and makes it super beautiful and cute. And how cute did this turn out, you guys? I am so loving this. And I've never done these with a thermal before, but these were so warm. They kept my feet and legs so warm and looked really perfect with my boots and this scarf and this little shawl. Just perfect and so cozy and ready for a wonderful fall afternoon. And it looks like Tinky also is in love with this DIY. He was so snuggly this day and just could not resist snuggling with my feet. He is so cute. So what did you guys think about my cozy fall afternoon routine? I hope this inspires you guys to just take a break from life and bring in some of those smells and sights and sounds of fall and just relax and take a minute to yourself just to kind of reflect and just cherish this time. And so I just want to thank you all so much. If you're new, I would love to have you subscribe and be part of my YouTube family. You guys are absolutely amazing. Like, I'm smiling from ear to ear because I just love you guys so much. I'm so blessed to have you in my life. So comment and let me know. I would love to hear what you guys love to do for fall. And how you guys like to relax and get cozy and some of your favorite fall treats. So thank you all so much, and look for some more new DIYs, you guys. I have some amazing Christmas DIYs coming up. I am so excited to share them with you guys. I'm bursting at the seams. I know it's not quite Christmas time yet, but I'm hoping to just go ahead and slide some in there. So check back for the next fall video. Check back for some more DIYs. Hugs and kisses for now. I love you guys so much, and we'll talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye.